Everybody, it's Tereese. I am here, or I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share my Julie Nutting tag that I received from Donna, and it's Donna powered by creativity. She was doing a tag swap, and you just had to send in a Julie Nutting. Oh, that's my tablet. Julie Nutting doll with on a tag, and it could have been any size, any style, and I jumped on it because I love Julie Nutting and her dolls, and so I got my tag in the mail. So it says here it's from Alicia Hayes, and I'll try to link her YouTube channel down below for everybody. And I've already peeked in there. It's so pretty. So let me bring it down. Look at this tag. I want to say I can't see the size of the tag. I mean, where is my... Of course I don't have my ruler. So let me go with the camera here. Oh, I think it's 3 by 6. And it's so pretty. Look at this doll. I think I have this doll. And I love the colors. It's so pretty. And there's a doily in the back here, and this paper she used is like it has some metallic. Can't you see it? It's so pretty. And then she put some diamond dust on her shoes, and then she put a little what do you call those, shells, sequins there, and she put some more diamond dust on her headband. It's so pretty. And then on the background here, it looks like she has some burlap and some lace and some pearls and some leaves and these beautiful flowers. I don't know if she made them. And then it's just, and it says beautiful, and some I don't know if they're dewdrops or some kind of gems, but they sparkle. It's so pretty. And there's some tulle down here. It is so pretty. And then when you turn it over, she has some tags. She wrote me a little note, and then this says, "The ocean makes her heart sing." And I think that's part of that stamp set that goes with this doll, I think, or one of her dolls. But it's just beautiful. Thank you so much, Alicia, for my tag. Thank you, Donna, for this great swap. And I'm still trying to decide if I want to do the monthly tag swap that she's doing, and I'll have Donna's channel down below as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.